Plastic suits and puppet strings, dancing while the chaos rings. You scream the truth, they cut the feed. They smile with teeth like a cash machine, feeding you dreams wrapped in gasoline. They talk of hope, but it's all for show, while pockets swell and the poor stay low. They shake your hand with a hidden knife, sell you chains and call it life. Plastic suits and puppet strings, dancing while the chaos reigns. You scream the truth, they cut the feed. This system's built to watch you bleed. 1,000 votes, but they pick the king. Same old lies with a brand new ring. You break your back just to scrape by, while they toast champagne to the working guy. They own the game, they rig the fight, smile wide while they kill the light. Plastic suits and puppet strings, dancing while the chaos reigns. You scream the truth, they cut the feed. This system's built to watch you bleed. They spin the news like a carousel, truth gets buried, but we can't tell. They sell your fear, then cast a price, but we see clear through their disguise. They own the game, they rig the fight, smile wide while they kill the light. Plastic suits and puppet strings, dancing while the chaos reigns. You scream the truth, they cut the feed. This system's built to watch you bleed. Your pawns to play, we light the fuse, now clear the way. Now we're the spawn behind the wall. We've had enough, we'll watch them fall. No more rules from empty thrones, we'll build a world that's ours alone. Plastic suits and puppet strings, crashing down as freedom sings. We scream so loud they feel the sting. No more lords, no more kings. Plastic suits and puppet strings, crashing down as freedom sings. Scream so loud they feel the sting. No more lords, no more kings.